Hello guys and welcome back to Explore Electronics. And our today's topic is variable resistors. Variable resistors, as the name suggests, resistors whose resistance can be changed between 0 to a certain maximum value. It is usually used in electronic circuits to adjust the value of voltage and current, and it is used in volume control in radios and brightness control in televisions. Variable resistance can mainly be classified in three types: potentiometer, rheostat, and trimmer. Let's first go with potentiometer. It is smaller in size than rheostat and referred as pot. Well, potentiometer can also be classified into two types: carbon potentiometer and wire wound potentiometer. Now coming on to the carbon potentiometer. Potentiometer is manufactured in either film or molded type. Now a carbon track is made and two terminals are provided to calculate the observed reading, and one terminal is connected to the slip ring so that resistance could be varied accordingly. Further, the whole setup is enclosed by a case of sheet metal over which the resistance value and the taper are also engraved. Here the taper refers to the variation along the track, which may be logarithmic or linear variation. The film is the mixture of carbon, graphite and resins. In this, the non-linear taper, the ring width may be varied circumferentially, or the spray may be varied with a different mixture so that we can get a variable reading. Now this is the diagram of carbon potentiometer. As we can see here that 2 points are provided here with the track, and one point is there with the slip ring so that it could vary the resistance along the whole track and we could get a desired output. Wire wound potentiometer can be studied in two different parts. One is single turn wire wound potentiometer and another one is multi-turn wire wound potentiometer. Let's first deal with single turn wire wound potentiometer. It is made up of flat strips of insulated card made up of flexible plastic or anodized aluminium. As per the requirements of lower resistance, copper alloy wire should be used, and for higher amount of resistance, nickel chromium is used. Further, the slider is made up of beryllium copper, and the contact from a slider is made through a slip ring or by a coiled spring so that the resistance could be varied. Here the resistance varies from 50 ohm to 5 mega ohm, and power rating is from 2 to 3 watts. Now moving to the application, it is used as an element in amplifier and brightness contrast and control in television receivers. Now heading towards multi-turn wire wound potentiometer, it is used for precise value of resistance. It is the setup of resistance element is wound on a long strip and formed into a helix and held in a plane using silicon varnish. Grooves are usually made in helical turns so that it could be used to guide the contact. Here the resistance varies from 50 ohm to 250 kilo ohm, and the power rating is up to 5 watt. Here is the schematic diagram of wire wound potentiometer. As you can see, a shaft is connected to the particular ring, and here the wire winding is done, and as the shaft is rotated, the resistance varies across the ring, and here two terminals are provided to take off the output resistance. Now let's talk about the second type of variable resistor, that is rheostat. Rheostat is a resistance wire on an open tube of ceramic which is covered with vitreous enamel. It dissipates a power more than 5 watt and withstand a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. And it is used in high power applications such as X-ray tubes, building currents, ovens, etc. Here is the diagram of rheostat. You might have seen this structure kept in your physics lab or somewhere, as it is very common. And this is the slider which is used to slide across this length so that the resistance could vary across its length. Now coming on to the last topic of this lecture, trimmers. Trimmers is used where the resistance must be adjusted but not continuously variable. This is a screw activated and can be adjusted by a screwdriver. As I'll show you in the next slide. Resistance track is made up of the carbon and cermet. Resistance ranges from few ohm to 5 mega ohm, and it has a power rating up to 1 watt. As you can see, this structure, inside the structure, a film is fitted inside it, so that whenever the screw is rotated, the resistance would vary across its length from going maximum to minimum or minimum to maximum, however the particular film is structured. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any doubts or anything else regarding the video, do comment, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.